everyone, this is Nick with Agent Elite. Today we have a simple tutorial going over how you can share your featured properties and featured communities to your Facebook page. We previously did this tutorial on a mobile device, but some people weren't sure if it was the same strategy on a computer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to the featured properties section. You can either click on that in the menu or you can scroll down to your featured listings. We're going to go ahead and select one of our listings right here. Let's go ahead and choose this nice beachfront property. Go ahead and close that marketing tool. So a very easy way to share a property to Facebook would be to click this left link over here. So you're going to click on that and it's going to bring up a window that will allow you to share this property to Facebook. So when the window first pops up, if you're not already signed into Facebook, it's going to ask you to sign in. If you are signed in, it's going to bring you straight to the posting page. So you can type anything you want right here. So we're just going to type that, and then you can choose how you want to share it. You can share it to a group, an event, share on a page you manage, share on your timeline. So this is how you can choose if you want to share it to your business page or share it to your personal page. So once you're done doing all that and configuring how you want it to be, you can go ahead and click Post to Facebook in the bottom right corner. And then this window should close automatically once you click Share. Now, if you want to share a community, you're going to do the same exact thing almost. We're going to go over to that communities page, or if you're on the home page, you can go directly to your featured communities section. We're going to go ahead and scroll right down to that San Diego section. Now, we are on the San Diego page right here, so there's two things you can do. You can either share just a listing, a random listing from San Diego, or you can share the entire page. So the easiest way to do that is to go ahead and click on that left Facebook button. Same thing as before, it's going to have you log in if you haven't already logged in, and then you can type anything you want in this box, and then you can go ahead and click Post to Facebook after you've selected your page. And it's as easy as that. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on social media at Agent Elite or at Agent Elite Inc. Be sure to check out the rest of our blog posts at agentelite.com/blog. Thank you again for watching.